Hey guys, welcome back to Live Your Style. We are not only going to do some cleaning as per usual in my videos, we are also going to be accessorizing a living room space in one of our followers, viewers, childhood friend actually. I'm gonna show you guys how to accessorize this living room space using $1,000. Sometimes $1,000, it is a lot of money. However, when it comes to decorating an entire living room, if that's the amount of money you guys could save up to invest in a space, it can make a huge impact. You do not have to buy all brand new furniture, and I'm gonna show you guys really the best places to invest your money and how to make a space that may feel kind of awkward, how to transform it and to make it look pretty amazing in only a day's time. You guys wanna see what it looks like before and some of the challenges we're working with? Let's look. Now here's the before footage from the other day of what the space looked like originally. A little bit dark, very cluttered, beautiful furniture, but kind of the wrong size for the space. When we showed up the day of, she was able to clean up the space a little bit. She found a new home for her beautiful harp, and it gave us the perfect palette to start moving things around. Okay, so this is when you first walk into this space, into this living room. It's a pretty small room, and there's only windows on one side of the space. So we have a few challenges. First is, we can't get a new sofa, we have to use the sofa. This sofa is actually really beautiful. I love the fabric, it's super cozy, it's a great lounging sofa. However, it is ginormous for the space. And when you put it on the wall, same as the door, when you first walk in, it kind of encroaches on the room and makes the room feel even smaller. Additionally, because this sofa is on this wall, there's hardly any room for a side table. The side table is super teeny tiny, and the one over there is literally crammed up against the corner. So by moving the sofa to a new wall that has more space, we will probably make some more room for some new side tables. And then also we have these lovely Ottoman type coffee table situation right in front, but they are also ginormous for the space. So we're gonna show you guys how to kind of update a few of the supporting pieces, how to get rid of some furniture that you don't really need, and then what to fill in where, and really how to make the space come together. You guys ready to get started? Let's get into the first thing that we did, which was move around this layout. When you do this for 4 years, you finally get smart and you get help. I now get to do the point and shooting, and they do the moving. You guys ready to move some furniture? Lego. Let's do it. Okay, here's what I wanna do. I wanna take the side tables out, the ottomans out, the TV, and all of this stuff out, and we're gonna move the sofa right there, okay?
Got it.
And I'm gonna follow you both with a vacuum. Ready, set, go. Here you go. Yeah. Color palette. So glad Scout doesn't shed, I can just say that. Now, if I was a true diva, I would make you guys move this while I'm sitting on it. Should we try it?
Nope.
You guys, how much better does this space look? Okay, thanks to my trusty team for helping me move everything. We adjusted the layout. We took out a lot of furniture just so we can kind of get a vibe for what's going on in this space. And then, as you can see here, the sofa is now on this wall, and it used to be on the window wall. So I want to encourage you guys, when you do attempt to redecorate any space in your home, question the layout, question, is this really the best way that it could be? And maybe there is something that could be maybe a little more unique that you didn't think of before that'll really maximize the space, make it bright, and make it feel different, which is kind of fun. Now that we have moved stuff around though, there's dust bunnies and things literally flying all over this house. They have two beautiful dogs. One is a German Shepherd and one is a beautiful Golden Retriever, which are the most amazing dogs, but they are also probably the top shedders, which means there's a lot of dog hair that we just kind of pulled up underneath this rug. So we need to get to cleaning. And like you guys know, in every single video almost that I post, I talk about how cleaning your space can actually make it feel more beautiful, because you get all the clutter out and you'll be amazed at how much that'll improve your space without spending any money. That all leads me to step number 2. You guys know how I feel about vacuums. I I gotta get to cleaning because we gotta get to accessorizing and, you know, finish this video. So let's do it. We are going to install her frame TV. The frame, as you guys know, it is a television that looks like art. So when it comes to an accessorizing video, the frame is pretty important. Not only are we going to be putting the frame up here, but we're gonna have it installed by the one and only, dun 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 dun, you, come on in. Guys, this is Brandon from Be The Installer.
Hi.
He installed our frame at our house. He's installed my mom's TV. He knows his stuff because these TVs can be kind of complicated to put on the wall, correct?
Yes, they are, yes. They're complicated because you have to run the wiring somewhere else because they are so flat and thin. That's a benefit, but can be a drawback as well.
Because you want it to actually look like art. And then, you know, when you put art on the wall, there's no gap behind the art piece in the wall, and that's how you want your TV to look. If you guys have any electrical questions, or if you're trying to do things in your own home and you need some tips, he has a YouTube channel. It's called Be The Installer. Is it just the letter B?
Be The Installer, yep.
Be The Installer. Go check him out. He's got some awesome videos, very informative, and you're the man. Thank you. Thank you for helping us today.
No problem.
All right, let's get to it. After we added the beautiful TV, doesn't that look so amazing? Looks like a nice piece of art. We are gonna find some symmetry in this space. So I'm going to achieve some symmetry by moving in some side tables, some decor, and even some things on the wall. You ready? Let's go. Okay, so not only do we have our side tables in this space, I'm not gonna add any lamps because she has recessed lighting, which is awesome. We're gonna add a few cute little decor pieces that I got at some budget-friendly decor spots. This guy she actually already had. He's so cute. And we're gonna kind of achieve the symmetrical look by using these vases and decor, and it's gonna look great. So let's put it on the tables. And remember, you wanna use the rule of odds or the rule of threes, where you put things in 3s, 5s, 7s, 9s. Looks very put together and cute when you do it that way. I need Tyler, I need someone taller. Or I just need a ladder. A ladder would work. Ta-da! Okay, now that we have achieved symmetry on this wall, the wall behind you guys, and the wall with the TV, we are going to maybe do something a little different on the wall behind me. So number 4 is we are gonna decorate our walls. I have 2 main goals here. One, I want to make this wall kind of a really impressive wow. It's the first thing that people are gonna see when they walk into this space. The second thing I wanna do on this wall, there's no windows. The only windows are right behind you. The light in the ceilings are really great. However, sometimes if she doesn't want to have the lights on, she had mentioned that it's really dark and she wished that there was a light right here. But what do we do when we want to simulate or emulate or pretend as if there were a window? We put a mirror. It will feel brighter and airier and look a whole lot better in this space. So let's get to it. You guys, doesn't the mirror look so good? And doesn't the artwork look so good? Oh, I can't wait for her to come home and see this. It's looking amazing, but we have one final step, and that is we gotta get some more seating in here. We've gotta add some storage, because I took away her storage over here where her TV originally was, and I've gotta add some final touches. So let's add those 3 things, and then I'm gonna show you how it all looks. Final reveal is coming soon. And I have exactly 30 minutes. Let's go. I'm adding an extra chair. That way she can have people over, they can have a conversational moment, they can hang out with friends, and they can watch the TV. Isn't this chair cute? And it's very comfortable. Good find. Okay, so I love this guy because guess what? Not only is it additional seating, sit down, babe, sit down. No, over here. Comfy, right?
Oh, I mean, the couch is...
You like firm though.
Yeah, this is comfy.
Well, guess what?
What?
Stand up. Turn around. Sit down. I'm just kidding. Look, storage. I took away her storage, now I gave her storage. And it goes with not only the side tables, but also the coffee table. Let me go grab it, because you guys are gonna freak out when you see this coffee table. It's so cool. Dun, 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 dun. How cool! Isn't this the coolest coffee table you've ever seen? Not only is that one of my favorite parts, but my other favorite part is pillows. Everyone's favorite part, correct? Now let's make them look pretty. You guys, we are finally done. It looks so beautiful in here. I think that they are gonna be so blown away, not only by how different this space looks because of the layout, but just all of the beautiful things and their photos. And we used a little bit of what they had. We used a lot of what they had actually. And we also included a bunch of new things. I'm just really excited for her and her boyfriend to come home and see this place. This is her house and she is gonna like, I don't know, I think she's gonna feel like she's finally at home. That's what makes this so special, is that we get to come in, we get to put the pieces in the right spot and just allow this house to start feeling like a home for her. So, do you guys want to see her reveal? They're gonna be here in like 10 minutes. But first I gotta light the candles and find a match. Wish me luck. And then we'll go get her. Okay, bye. Yeah.
Your eyes open and
Okay.
enjoy it all.
Okay.
3, 2,
I'm so excited.
1. Get in there.
Okay. Open. Oh my gosh. Do you love it? Yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yay. Okay, come over here. I want to show you on this side.
Oh my god.
Take it all in.
Okay. Oh, I should wait. Oh, wait.
Okay, have a seat on your new bench.
Oh.
And it has
my
storage.
gosh. Oh my gosh, that's so helpful. I
Yeah,
have
so
much
lift. You
stuff down
can
here.
totally lift it up.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, and I smell my favorite candle. How did
I
you
rated
know?
your upstairs.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, that's okay.
I got found out.
And the curtains?
You have curtains.
Oh my gosh, and the mirror?
And your sofa's in an entirely.
I'm so excited.
Yay! I'm so glad you love it. Okay, so what do you think of your TV being above the piano? Because that's
Oh
new.
my gosh, that's actually finally hung up. It's a huge difference. Even just
It
putting
looks like
up.
actual art. And then you have a new chair.
And I have a chair. Oh my gosh.
And you have a basket.
Oh my gosh.
And you have a coffee table.
And, oh my gosh.
It's like this fun wicker
Oh, wow,
fabric, which
that's
is really
so-
cool. It's amazing,
Oh
right?
my gosh, I just can't even believe it. This is a totally different space.
Right?
Oh, but now I just want to like hang out here and work on my homework
Oh,
here. And
isn't
do
that the
everything
best?
here.
You can just hang and you have all kinds of seating for people and storage.
Oh, I'm so shocked. Like, I had no idea.
Well, and
I knew it would be great, but
Yeah.
I'm totally blown away. This is so exciting.
Aw.
I can't wait to
Charity, that makes me so happy. Oh, so I'm so happy that you love it, honestly.
It's perfect. I'm so excited.
Yay!
Thank you.
You're so sweet. Okay, well, we're gonna get out of your hair. We're gonna let you enjoy.
Oh my gosh.
Go get your dogs. Actually,
Oh,
I want
my
your
puppies.
I want your
Oh my
dogs to
gosh.
see it.
Wait till they see it.
I know. High five, high five, high five. Yay! You did it, you did it, you did it, you did it.
Now do 2 more.